Traders War Room, we locked and loaded.
What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, man. I hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas holiday. We got one more week left in 2022. Let's go out there and destroy this, man. I got a great video for you. Let's go out there, make some money, and kill 2022 and get ready to destroy 2023. Without further ado, let's get it. First, don't forget, we still got the Traders War Room holiday special going on. If you've been waiting to join Traders War Room Premium, now is your opportunity, guys. Quit wasting that money that's not making money. With the TWR Santa discount, guys, you're getting all the real-time alerts, all the live trading rooms, all the algo bots, and so much more, guys. Everything we offer, 50% off. The deal ends today at midnight, guys, 26 December. Quit wasting money on all that other junk that's out there that's not about anything and that's not real, guys. Come home to Traders War Room and come and get some with the real professionals that are actually giving you guys results. All right, team, so let's get into the video. What looks good moving into this week so that we can absolutely destroy this week and close out 2022 with a bang? All right, let's start out with SPY, guys. We've been looking at SPY and we've been watching it for a couple weeks now, and it keeps dumping and dumping, and it spikes up a little bit, but it just hasn't been able to break out. Well, I do like the level that we're at here. We dumped a little bit. We found a bottom. We came back up to a nice little shelf, and I think that we close out this week on higher levels. So I'm looking for SPY to continue to the upside, and I think calls or going long would be appropriate going into this final week. All right, the next stock we're going to look at is Tesla, guys. Tesla has absolutely destroyed the bulls mentality on this particular stock. However, I do think we're at a particular level where we're starting to find support. We're starting to get a shelf at the bottom. I'm liking this for a push closing out this week for a bullish push. So I'm looking to go long on this particular ticker at this current level. Apple is another one that has seen some destruction and some selling pressure as well. However, once again, we're starting to see a little consolidation at the bottom level. I like this one for a push going into this week as well. Now, caveat to all of these bullish momentums, if we still get the huge bearish pressure closing out this week, I think that these will all suffer as well. However, I think a lot of people are going to want to try to close out 2022 strong, and these particular tickers we just went over, SPY, Tesla, Apple, and the next one are all prime candidates for going in at long positions and escaping out with some decent profit from some bullish momentum. And finally, the last one of the big cats that we're going to talk about, Google, okay? I do like this one for a push to the upside. I think that NFL deal is great, and as long as the momentum stays pretty bullish to close out this year, this is going to see some of the benefits from that particular push. So I do like the calls here closing out this week. Now, we're not looking to swing into 2023 unless we really notice that we got a huge momentum. However, we're looking to ride some momentum closing out this week so that we can come out strong and make some decent money on these particular tickers. Next one, we're going to talk about one that is extremely beat up, and I like this one, CarMax, okay? I think CarMax is a great area at this current level, and I think these are prime candidates for a little bit of push. I like the retest of the higher levels over there at the $68, $69, and I think from this current level we're at, we got a decent amount of push that we can see on some bullish momentum closing out this year. Walgreens, I actually am bearish on this one. I think that we got a little bit more of a push to the downside on Walgreens. We covered the previous gap that we had, but I think we got another leg down before we cool off and we can see some push back up from support. So I'm looking to go short on this one because I do believe that we got some more downward pressure on this and we got another leg down. And finally, we got Under Armour. And guys, I like this for a push to the upside. And with that said, this is going to be your free trade alert, man. We haven't done this for a while, but we got a fantastic track record. We're basically 18 out of 20 trades so far on the YouTube, and let's keep the momentum going. So here's what I'm looking at, and I'm looking for on Under Armour to get me a good idea of getting into a trade to make some money. Here's my triggers for my direction. So I'm looking for a close above 880 to go long on this particular stock. And just in case we see some of the downward pressure, I'm looking for a close below 840 to go short on this. However, I'm thinking long more in my mind, and so this is the contract I'm looking to get into if we trigger to the upside. This is the contract I'm looking at, that $10 call pushing out to Jan 20th, 2023. You know, obviously we'll have to see what the volume is on the day, but it has quite a bit of open interest, and at the particular price it is, I do like this for a push. However, if you're looking for a little something further out, I can suggest a leap, and it's something else I'll be looking at as well, going out further, looking at a leap in this particular ticker. And here's the leap idea. Obviously, guys, we see zero volume on the day. We want to make sure that we got the volume going in. However, if we start to get that bullish sentiment, I'm sure that the volume on the day will start to increase. We want to make sure that we're not the only person getting into it on that particular time frame, but the open interest is definitely up there, and it got my attention. And at the price, it's definitely something that would be worthy to hold and see what we can get on some bullish momentum. And we got plenty of time to let this mature and make some money for us. All right, team, that's the video. Don't forget, the Santa discount is going to close out at midnight tonight. Guys, if you've been waiting to come trade with me on the premium platform, now is your chance. Quit wasting that money that's not making money. Join the team. And as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war together.
Let's go to war. Peace.